Let me show you how we can use the now bar on a Samsung Galaxy S26. So if we go to settings and over here proceed to the lock screen and AOD, then you should be able to find the now bar option. In here you can decide which apps and features and services should be displayed on the now bar. So some of these options can be deactivated quite easily. Now, besides that, here, if we go back, we can find the now brief, the current mode, do not disturb, and flashlight. Now, the now bar can be found pretty much on the lock screen and AOD. So let me open any of these apps that we can use with the now bar. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the voice recorder, and I'm gonna start recording. There we go. Now over here, if I now go to the lock screen, you will notice that I have this bar over here. I can tap on it to find additional options like stop, pause, and cancel. You can easily manage these options on the lock screen, so you don't have to unlock the phone to be able to use them. As you can see now, I am in AOD and it is also visible. However, in this case, this is just visual and the buttons are not working, unfortunately. So in order to actually manage these options, you have to go to the lock screen at least. And if you press and hold your finger, then you should be able to find, let's say, the dismiss option or now bar settings. You can also swipe between different options that are different notifications that are accessible through the now bar. And let me actually use one more. Let's say I'm gonna go to the clock, and let's say in here, if I start the timer, there we go. And if I go to the lock screen, as you can see, it is being displayed as well. And I can pretty much fully use it. I can count the lap, I can stop, and so on and so forth. And that is pretty much it. So the now bar is like an additional bar that displays or synchronizes with some of the apps. And you can manage these apps straight away from the lock screen without having to unlock the phone. Usually, apps that can work with the now bar are also over here on the status bar right next to the time in here, and you can manage them in this place as well. As you can see here, we can swipe as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.